Good morning students. Welcome back to Max class. In the previous class, we have learned place value, face value, expanded form and short form. Today, let us learn about comparison of numbers ascending and descending order. First, let us know how to compare the numbers. In maths, to compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities, or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than, or equal to another quantity. For example, see this image. In this image, there are some red apples and some green apples. How many red apples are there? There are 8 red apples. And how many green apples are there? There are 3 green apples. So here the number of red apples are more than the number of green apples. So the number 8 is greater than the number 3. Children, to compare the numbers, we use the signs smaller than, greater than, or equal to. In this example, 8 is greater than 3. So here we have to use greater than sign. Children, to identify the smaller than, greater than symbols, imagine the mouth of alligator. See this image. 3 is smaller than 8 and 8 is greater than 3. To which side the alligator is opening its mouth? Yes, towards the greater number, that is towards 8. So always open side of the smaller than or greater than sign shows greater number. Understood, children? Okay, for comparing the numbers, we follow these rules. Rule 1. The number which has more digits is the greater number. For example, 9 and 26. Here, 9 is one digit number and 26 is two digit number. 26 has more digits. So, 26 is greater number. We can write it as 9 is smaller than 26 or 26 is greater than 9. Let us take one more example. 786 and 42. In 786, there are 3 digits 7, 8 and 6. In 42, there are 2 digits 4 and 2. So 786 has more digits than 42. So 786 is greater than 42. We can write it as 786 greater than 42 or 42 smaller than 786. Rule 2. If the given numbers have the same number of digits means we have to compare the digits from the left side place. For example, 38 and 57. Here 38 and 57 has 2 digits. So we have to compare the left side place, that is tens place. In 38, the digit in tens place is 3 and in 57, tens place digit is 5. In 3 and 5, 5 is greater number. So, 57 is greater than 38. So, it is written as 57 greater than 38 or 38 smaller than 57. Let us take another example. 932 and 418. First, we have to count the digits. How many digits are there in 932? Yes, there are 3 digits. And in 418 also there are 3 digits. So here the number of digits in the two numbers are same. So now we have to compare the digits in left side place. What is the left side place? Hundreds place. So in 932, the digit in hundreds place is 9, and in 418, the digit in hundreds place is 4. In 9 and 4, 9 is the greatest number. So 932 is greater than 418. And it is written as 932 greater than 418 or 418 smaller than 932. Now let us take one more example. 683 and 679. First count the digits. In 683 and 679, there are 3 digits. Here digits are same. So we have to compare the left side place digit. That is hundreds place. In 683, the hundreds place digit is 6. And in 679, the hundreds place digit is 6. In both the numbers, the hundreds place digit is same. Then what we have to do? Yes, we have to compare the digit in tens place. In 683, the tens place digit is 8. And in 679, the tens place digit is 7. In 8 and 7, 8 is greater than 7. So, 683 is greater than 679. And it is written as 683 greater than 679 or 679 smaller than 683. Now let us take one more example. 381 and 385. In 381 and 385, there are 3 digits. So we have to compare left side place, that is hundreds place. In the two numbers, hundreds place digit is same, that is 3. And now we have to compare tens place digit. The tens place digit in the two numbers is also same, that is 8. So now we have to compare the next place digit, that is ones place. In 381 there is 1 in ones place, and in 385 there is 5 in ones place. Here 1 is smaller than 5. So 381 is smaller than 385, and it is written as 381 smaller than 385 or 385 greater than 381. Children, if all digits in the given numbers are same means we have to keep equal to sign. Example, 33 is equal to 33. 456 is equal to 456. Understood, children, how to compare the numbers? Children, while comparing the numbers, always compare from the left side only. Okay, now let us know ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smallest to the greatest. And what is descending order? Descending order means arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest. To arrange the given numbers in ascending order or descending order, we have to follow the above rules only. That is, the rules of comparison of numbers. Let us take one example. Arrange 170, 57, 128, 843 and 62 in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller to greater number. So first count the digits. In 170 how many digits are there? 3 digits. 57 2 digits. And in 128 there are 3 digits. 843 there are 3 digits. And in 62 there are 2 digits. So 2 digit numbers are smaller than the 3 digit numbers. Here there are two digit numbers. They are 57 and 62. In 57 and 62, which is the smallest number? Yes, good. 57 is the smallest number. So we have to write first 57 and next smallest number is 62. Now we have to compare the 3 digit numbers. What are the 3 digit numbers? 170, 128 and 843. So we have to compare the hundreds place digit. In 170, hundreds place digit is 1. In 128, hundreds place digit is 1. And in 843, 8 is the hundreds place digit. So here 1 is smaller than 8. But in 170 and 128, hundreds place is same. So we have to compare tens place. In 170, tens place digit is 7. And in 128, tens place digit is 2. In 7 and 2, 2 is smaller than 7. So 128 is smaller than 170. So third smallest number is 128. And fourth smallest number is 170. And what is the number left here? 843. 843 is the greater number of all the given numbers. So the ascending order of the given numbers is 57, 62, 128, 170 and 843. Now let us take one more example. Arrange 223, 331, 427, 111 and 312 in descending order. Descending order means arranging the given numbers from greater number to smaller number. So first count the digits. Here in 223 there are 3 digits. 331 also there are 3 digits. 427 there are 3 digits. 111 also there are 3 digits. And 312 also there are 3 digits. Here all the numbers are 3 digit numbers only. So now we have to compare the left side digit, that is hundreds place. What are there in hundreds place? 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3. Which is greater number, children? Yes, here 4 is greater number. So 427 is greater than all the numbers. Next, the greatest hundreds place is 3. Here there are two numbers with 3 in hundreds place, that are 331 and 312. So here we have to compare the tens place. In these two numbers, what are there in tens place? 3 and 1. In 3 and 1, 3 is greater. So 331 is greater than 312. So 427 is greater than 331 and 331 is greater than 312. And which numbers are left? 223 and 111. In 223, the hundreds place digit is 2 and in 111, the hundreds place digit is 1. In 2 and 1, 2 is greater than 1. So, 223 is greater than 111. That is, 427 is greater than 331. 331 is greater than 312. 312 is greater than 223 and 223 is greater than 111. So descending order of the given numbers is 427, 331, 312, 223 and 111. Understood, children? How to write the ascending and descending order? Okay, in the next class, let us learn about even numbers and odd numbers. Thank you, children.